Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube. And I'm feeling very glamorous and bougie right now because I'm loving how this makeup has turned out. So what I'm going to do in this video is I have bought quite a few things from Nykaa during Pink Friday sale, and the parcel has finally arrived after 11 days. And I'm going to try them here and show you all how my new makeup is turning out. So that's what this video is going to be about, and this is the face that I have created with all the new makeup. So let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So I'm going to start with this Dotkey Watermelon Super Glow Pore Tightening Toner. So this is oil free and luminous skin. So it is a non-sticky formula which is going to give you an oil free but glow effect to your skin. Chalo dekhte hain how much glow it is going to provide my skin. Although this is a toner. I'm going to let this toner dry a little bit, and I'm going to do my brows till then. I have done my brows. And going to the next product, it is this one, Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily Skin. I have got this primer. So basically, this video is also going to tell you that which are the products that I am liking. And that is the primer on my skin. It is a very nice pore filling primer, and also acts as a moisturizer because it is not very drying. It definitely mattes down my skin, but it is not drying for my skin. Next thing I'm going to be using is this one. This is a K-Beauty concealer. Now this is first time I'm using their concealer. I don't know what to expect, frankly speaking, because I have not used their base products, and now I am doing this concealer. Let's see how it performs. Not that smell bothers me, but yeah, it was quite noticeable, and it is covering everything really well. It's blending out very smoothly. I like how it is blending out. It just takes a few seconds to blend it out, and it is definitely covering all my marks. There are a lot of marks on my nose, but it is covering out really well, and that is how my face is looking. I am literally loving it. It is giving me a very nice luminous base but not sweaty again, and it has blended out very seamlessly. I would definitely give it a 9 out of 10, good 9 out of 10. If it had little bit more coverage, it would be a 10 out of 10 for me, but I'm really liking it. My under eyes are not dry, my concealer is not creasing, and everything is looking pretty good until now. Now I'm going to do my bronzing, contouring and foundation routine, all of that off camera because I don't have anything new to show there. And you see my face looks so good, right? And this is going to be my Huda Beauty Cheeky Tint in the shade Coral Cutie, and I have used this already. I'm using it for I think second time, and one thing I can tell you about this tint is that it does not work with a beauty blender, but it absolutely beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful when you blend it with your fingers. It looks very, very pretty, and see, it's giving that healthy shine to the face. And I have set my face with a powder, and this is how it is looking. Now we are going to proceed towards the eyes, the most exciting part of this video. I have these two palettes with me. Now you might think they are looking pretty similar. This is Huda Beauty Lovelust palette, and this is Spellbook in the shade Passion by Rude Cosmetics. And let me tell you, I have swatched both of them on my hands, and I would prefer this Rude Cosmetics over this anytime. This is how the Rude Cosmetics one is looking. It also comes with a nice mirror. The color shades, you can see, it's very pretty. This is the Huda Beauty one. So, you know, they have some similar shades, but they have some very different shades from each other. I have already used Huda Beauty one, and I have kind of, I mean, I like it. I was not as impressed. This is the first Huda Beauty palette that I have owned, and I am not as obsessed as I thought I would be. But this one, definitely. Now, one side I'm going to do with Huda Beauty, one side I'm going to do with this Rude Cosmetics Spellbook, and I'll show you how it goes. So we're going to start with the Rude Cosmetics palette first. Now let's start by building this color up a little bit. I don't know where I'm going with this palette because I have not thought of anything, but let's just start, and the colors are very beautifully pigmented, and they are blending out very smoothly. There's little bit of dust, you can see, but the pigmentation is great. जब दोनों आईज को देखें तो ये अच्छा लिफ्ट आया है ना, नाइस है, वेरी नाइस. और कलर भी ऐसे अच्छे से शो कर रहा है. नहीं तो ऐसे कलर्स ना जनरली शो नहीं करते हैं, बट It's looking nice. Let's go to this little darker shade because I am very curious to see. And pigmentation is amazing. The colors are very soft. It definitely has a little bit of fallout, but I don't mind that. Now I'm going to play with purples a little bit because I bought this palette for this and this color. Let me tell you that. I'm going to put it on my outer corner. You see? You see the pigmentation? This is worth every penny. I think this is my all-time favorite. मैंने बहुत सारे high-end palettes buy किए हैं और सब कुछ buy किया है, but I think this is my favorite.
This is the best.
Because you know I pay a lot of money to buy those palettes, तो मैं definitely उनसे expect करती हूँ कि वो अच्छा perform करेंगे. And my eye is looking stunning. The colors are looking so beautiful. They have blended into each other so well. So yeah, you see, everything is looking so pretty, right? They're blended amazingly. I would definitely recommend that go ahead and buy this palette. This is my first Rude Cosmetics palette, but I love it. Let's do Luna. I'm going to pick it on my finger. Okay, it feels a little chunky. Let's see. Wow, it transformed nicely. Now generally these glitters stick to your finger and they don't get transformed on your eyes. But this one, you see, just with one tap, it transformed really well. It is giving that great reflection with light. I'll use this K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Rosy Dew because it's rosy. It will match with this whole look very nicely. So now I have done the base of my eye with that palette, Rude Cosmetics one, and now I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette to do the glitter thing. I'll mix this and this one both together and then use them. So I'll first use this one. This is pressed little well. This doesn't feel as chunky like the Rude Cosmetics one. Very subtle glitter, you see. It is not giving anything like this. Let us try this another shade over this one to see if it gives that effect. I am sorry for the people who are thinking that Huda Beauty produces best eyeshadow palettes. I am sorry, I think Rude Cosmetics does it better. ये वाला glitter बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे तो ये glitter ही बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And that is my makeup. I did my mascara and everything. I have not done lipstick yet because I am going to use setting spray. I have two of them with me. Both of them are very well reviewed on the internet. Both of them are very well loved. I'm going to try one of it. Which one should I try? Maybe back one. Let's see how it does, what it does to my face. I did not feel like I am doing so much spray on my face. Absolutely love it. And guys, that is how this look has turned out. I absolutely love it. You can see I am feeling so glam, so bougie right now. But yeah, I love all of the products that I showed you here. And if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until next time, take care. Ta-da!